Little OBJ, little Zeal. Learning colors, fun for real.
Hi, friends. Today, little OBJ is going on a color adventure. Let's learn all about colors together.
Hey, it's me, OBJ. Let's go explore and sing today. Look at the apple's shiny red rod. The sun is yellow over my head. Ears and the sky so big and blue. Colors everywhere. Woo-hoo! Red, yellow, blue. Come dance with me. Let's paint the world. It's fun to see. Spin around, jump up high. Colors make the world so bright. The grass is green, it tickles my toes. Orange carrot for my nose. Pink cotton candy, yummy treat. Colors make my day so sweet. Red, yellow, blue, come dance with me. Red, orange, pink, let's shout yippee. Spin around, jump up high. Colors make the world so bright. Mix red and blue, what do you see? Purple pops up magically. Yellow and blue, wow, look, it's green. Colors mix to make a dream. Red, yellow, blue, and purple too. Green and an orange shining through. Little OBJ loves what he sees. Colors make the red happy.
We had so much fun with you today.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.